What happens if you have a great idea for a digital product? You know exactly how to create it, but you have no idea who to promote it to. Maybe you don't have any followers on social media yet, and you don't know anyone personally who is willing to purchase your product at this time. Well, this video is perfect for you, because I'm going to show you 3 proven strategies that help you sell your digital products online, even if you're starting from zero, no followers, no email list, no audience at all. So let's get into it. The first strategy is to focus on search engines that drive free traffic to your product. Unlike social media platforms, search engines like YouTube, Pinterest, blogs, and even Reddit don't care if you have followers. What they care about is the quality of your content and whether it matches what people are searching for. This is where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. SEO is about using the right keywords in your content. These are the words that your ideal customer is typing into the search bar. For example, you could have 0 YouTube subscribers and still get thousands of views if your video uses keywords that people are already searching for. The same goes for Pinterest. You can have a brand new account with no followers. But if your pins are beautiful and include the right keywords, people can find them and click through to your product. Let's say you're selling on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, PayHip, or even your own website. You want to create content on a search engine platform that points people back to your products. And instead of trying to be everywhere, just pick one platform and stick to it. For example, if you choose YouTube, make helpful videos about your niche. Or if you choose Pinterest, design eye-catching pins that link directly to your product page. Use keywords that match what your ideal customer would be searching for. No matter what product you're selling or what platform you're selling it on, this strategy of using a search engine with strong keywords can bring you steady traffic for months or even years. Let's move on to the second strategy. If you don't have an audience, you need to create products that are already being searched for and have low competition. That way, you increase your chances of getting found. This is especially important if you're selling on Etsy or Amazon. These are also search engines. So again, keywords matter. There's a tool called Insight Factory that helps you find trending digital products in different niches. You can sign up and test it out for free. Once you log in, click on Etsy Trends in the dashboard. You can filter by categories like printables, planners, business tools, and more. Let's say you want to sell digital planners. You can even narrow it down to niches like fitness, wellness, or business planning. Insight Factory will show you exactly what types of digital products are trending on Etsy right now. You'll see how many listings are selling, how much competition there is, and even what keywords those products are using. For example, maybe you see that Macro Meal Planner Google Sheets is trending. It has low competition and multiple listings are making sales every week. That's a great sign that people are looking for this product and not many shops are offering it. If you upgrade to their paid plan, you get access to beginner-friendly features that filter products with lower competition and higher chances of making sales. But even with the free version, you can still do a lot. You can sort products by sales and competition, view the top sellers, and even copy the tags they use in their listings. Insight Factory can also help you write optimized titles and product descriptions. That way, when someone searches for a planner or tracker, your product is more likely to show up on page 1. You can also view product listings directly on Etsy to get inspiration. Look at their product photos, what features they include, and what keywords they use. Use that information to improve your own listings. So that's the second strategy. Focus on trending products with low competition. Use the data to guide what you create and how you present it. Now let's talk about the third strategy. This is one that most people overlook, especially when they have no audience. And that's collaborating with other creators to reach their audiences. You don't need to be famous or have a big following. You just need to offer value. You can be a guest on someone's podcast or YouTube channel. You can join a workshop, teach a session, or go live on Instagram with someone in your niche. You can also write guest blog posts and include links to your product or your email list. There are Facebook groups dedicated to helping people connect for collaborations. For example, search collaboration on Facebook and look for groups like Podcast Guest Collaboration Community. This group has thousands of members looking for guests and co-hosts. Once you join a group, start networking. Be helpful. Answer questions. Let people know what you offer, and when you find someone with a similar audience, propose a way to collaborate that benefits both of you. If you're consistent, you'll start to get in front of the right people. And even if only a few of them buy your product at first, some will join your email list, follow you, and share your work with others. Another effective way to generate organic traffic without already having an audience is to actively participate in online communities where your ideal customers are already spending time. Platforms like Reddit and LinkedIn are especially valuable for this strategy. On Reddit, look for subreddits that closely align with your niche. For instance, if you sell budgeting templates, you can join communities focused on personal finance, frugal living, financial independence, or even student budgeting. Engage by answering questions, offering helpful advice, and sharing genuinely useful resources without coming across as overly promotional. Over time, you'll build credibility and trust, which can naturally lead users to check out your products or website. On LinkedIn, join relevant groups in your industry or niche. Contribute to discussions, comment insightfully on others' posts, and occasionally share content that links back to your blog, product, or lead magnet. By providing consistent value and demonstrating expertise, you'll gradually attract attention and drive qualified traffic to your site, even if you're starting from scratch. Be helpful. Answer questions. And when it makes sense, share a link to your product or freebie. Don't spam, just add value first. The same goes for LinkedIn. You can post short tips related to your product. Write helpful comments under other people's posts. When someone sees your value, they'll check out your profile. From there, they can visit your shop or website. So even without a following, you can use other people's platforms and community spaces to get seen and build trust. You don't need a big audience. You just need smart strategies that put your product in front of people who are already looking for it. You don't need followers. Post helpful content in Reddit threads, LinkedIn groups, or niche forums. Use Aweber to capture emails from people who click your links. It handles the back end of your funnel. That's how you start selling without an audience. Use the link in description to activate your free trial.